Welcome to ClearTask. If you constantly switch between different fonts in Microsoft Word, you are wasting valuable time. Today, I will show you how to assign a custom keyboard shortcut to any font, allowing you to change styles instantly. To set this up, open your Microsoft Word document. Navigate to the File menu in the top left corner and select Options at the very bottom. A new window will appear. On the left pane, click on Customize ribbon. Look near the bottom for the text that says Keyboard Shortcuts and click the Customize button right next to it. In the Categories list on the left, scroll down and select Fonts. Now in the fonts list on the right, find and select the exact font you want to use, such as Times New Roman, Arial, or Montserrat. Place your cursor in the box labeled Press New Shortcut Key. Press the key combination you want to use. For example, hold down Control and press the number 1. Click Assign, then Close, and finally OK. Now, whenever you highlight your text and press Ctrl+1, your font will instantly change to your chosen style. It is that simple. You can repeat this process to set up multiple shortcuts for all your favorite fonts. If you ever need to remove a shortcut, just return to the same menu, select the font, click the assigned key, and hit remove. Subscribe to ClearTask for more direct, no-nonsense productivity hacks.